Unearthing the Secrets of the Earth Oven. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to dig into an ancient cooking method that has spanned cultures and millennia, the earth oven. If you love history, culture, or just food in general, this is for you. So, let's get cooking with knowledge. An earth oven, also known as a ground oven or cooking pit, is one of the most ancient cooking structures known to humans. It's a pit dug into the ground used for cooking and sometimes even heating. But how does it work? Well, it's not just about digging a hole and throwing in the food. The process is both an art and a science. Constructing an earth oven is a fascinating process. First, a pit is dug into the earth, and then it's lined with hot stones. After the stones are heated by a fire within the pit, the embers are removed, and the food is placed on the stones. The entire pit is then covered, often with leaves, grass, or even wet cloth, followed by a layer of soil to seal in the heat. The trapped heat does the cooking, much like a conventional oven. The earth oven is not just about cooking. It has a deep cultural significance. Used by various cultures across the world, from the Maori in New Zealand with their hongi, to the Hawaiian imu, and even in the traditional luau. Each culture has its own method and traditions linked to the earth oven, making it a fascinating topic for anyone interested in culinary anthropology. You might think earth ovens are a thing of the past, but they're still in use today. They're celebrated for creating incredibly tender and flavorful dishes. Modern adaptations even exist, like the cob oven, popular with outdoor kitchen enthusiasts and sustainable living advocates. I hope you've enjoyed this journey into the world of earth ovens. It's incredible to see how this ancient method of cooking has endured and evolved over time, crossing cultural boundaries and continuing to bring people together around a communal, delicious feast. Keep exploring and experimenting with languages and cuisines, and you'll find the world is full of surprises. Until our next culinary adventure, happy learning, and bon appétit!